Lava volcano. Hi everybody. Today we're gonna make a science experiment. It's called a volcano explosion. So first we need to put in our bowl 6 cups of flour. This is the first cup, and we're starting by making salt dough. With the last cup, this is cup number 6 of flour into our bowl for the salt dough. Good job. Next we're gonna add 2 cups of salt. Here's the salty done.
2 cups.
Open the salt and measure, not like that,
Okay. Oh.
like this, with a whole cup of salt. Salty done. Put the second cup of salt. Good job. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Good. To add 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding the oil, now it's time to mix our dough. Okay, done. Dig in, mix it just like you're making challah or bread. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. We're making salt dough for our lava volcano. Good job, Idan. You're doing great. Liran is mixing the dough, the salt dough. Show me how you mix it, Liran. How does it feel?
It feels like hard sand, like hard, and it reminds me of baking sand.
Oh, nice. Let's see. This is the salt dough. It's ready. Next, we're gonna put it in a soda bottle, and we'll show you how to do it. Right, Liran?
Yeah.
For the volcano, you're gonna need a bottle. This is a soda bottle, but you can also use a glass bottle, a water bottle. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the bottle stand, and we're gonna mold the salt dough around the bottle. Idan, go ahead. Make it look like a lava mountain.
What the? Oh no. Here's some for you.
Good job. Our lava volcano is ready. Now we're going to pour about a tablespoon of dish soap into a cup of warm water. Here. Good. And take the red food coloring done and add about 2 drops of red food coloring. Small drops inside, yes. 1. Okay, that's a big drop, no more. Mix it with the spoon, mix it. And now we have red lava. Make sure your volcano is going to be in a bucket like this, like I have, or in the middle of aluminum pan, a big aluminum pan, because you don't want all the volcano to erupt on your table, and everybody's going to get wet and dirty. So put it in a bin or a big aluminum tray. Done. Now is going to pour the water inside the bottle slowly. Pour it inside the bottle. Pour. The next step is to add 6 teaspoons of baking soda into our bottle inside. Pour it inside. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't worry. And and 6. This is the last teaspoon of baking soda. The last step to make the volcano eruption is going to be vinegar. We poured vinegar into a cup, a pouring cup, with about almost a cup of vinegar. And now Idan is going to pour this cup inside our bottle, and let's see what happens. Are you ready? Let's see. Whoa!
Can I try some?
Yes, you can try. Good job, Idan. Look at our volcano.
Look.
The vinegar made this reaction with the.
That's lovely.
Put the vinegar, Idan.
Whoa.
Put more. The vinegar makes this reaction.
It's my turn. It's my turn. I have to do it. I have to do it.
So cool. This is so cool.
Look at this side.
We have to add baking soda and then the vinegar each time.
Whoa.
So cool. This was so fun, right, Idan? So you can repeat the process. You can just add the food coloring just like that.
Okay, green.
Like that.
Blue.
But not too much, Idan.
There we go. A little bit of red.
Red. That's it. That's enough.
That's it.
That's it, Liran.
That's it.
And now, just add the baking soda.
No. No. And orange.
And orange. Okay.
And then baking soda.
Put the orange. Not so much.
There, that's it.
enough. Now, who's gonna put the baking soda?
Me.
Put the baking soda, Liran.
That's it.
I hope we have enough water. Is there enough water in there? Do you still see some water?
Yes, kind of. Oh,
Oh my goodness. Wow.
It's brown now. Oh my gosh, look at my side.
Well,
Look
Idan,
at my side.
put some of the vinegar, a little bit. Let's see.
Oops.
Inside.
Down.
Put it inside, Idan. That's it.
Oh.
So we can do this over and over again. The kids had so much fun. And as you see, we're using ingredients that we have in our house. Baking soda, vinegar, water, dish soap, salt, flour. This is what we're using, and now they're having fun with it. Okay, that's enough. They're having lots of fun. Right, guys?
Yes. Look at the bowl inside.
So cool. Amazing.
Super cool.